It's your boy the Hun. So, doing an unboxing. Let's see. This is a SuKawii sticker pack. So, here we go. Kind of got this out of the holiday package. So, let's see. We got this one right here. The of course I'm gonna blank her name. Steins. We got Komi. We got Fischl. Basically one of my tops for the game. We got Mate from Juju Kaisen. Let's see, we got Futaba from Rascal Bundle Senpai. And Sucrose from Genshin Impact. Let's see, anything else in the package? No, nothing else. Alright, sorry it's going to be a bit short. Got another one probably coming up tomorrow, maybe? We'll see. Alright, that's all.